So this is what I was talking. So when you are doing your daily meditation, put gentle music, which has uh, less words, or just mantra is also okay. Because don't pamper your mind. In this calmness state, we are going beyond, and this beyond is above mind. So when I say above mind, means above emotions, above thoughts. So sometimes very beautiful sentence in song you hear, and it it awakens your this sometimes love, sometimes very deep, sometimes that attachment. So I hope you will understand. So then it is difficult to go inside. Ultimate purpose, you have to understand that we have to all, okay, these songs are also good. All these meditation songs, spiritual mantras are very good. If initially you are finding difficult, then you can of course take help initially, but you should be very clear, I am taking help, this is my tool, and then I have to go inside. If you know why you are listening song, just for pleasure, or just in the present moment you want to sit, you want to close your eyes. So have clear purpose, that why you are hearing these song, why you are hearing these spiritual songs. Because many people, what they do in our house also, yes. So what happened, early morning they will put on some good mantras and spiritual songs, religious songs. This is good. I'm not saying this is at least it is creating very beautiful positive vibration in home. Of course, don't stop that. Don't stop that. I never said that. Aim is, but the criteria is, when you are hearing these songs, you should know that the, these are tools. And if these tools are not helping you to go deep within, then you have to think again. Take help of these songs, but at the same time, at least one time in your daily routine, one time find that calmness inside you, which is above these songs and emotions. So these songs are helping us, uplifting us. Yes, and if your container becomes big, and if you're, after hearing this song, when you feel pleasant and you feel good, and then that feeling of pleasantness, then you should take help from this feeling, pleasant feeling, then go deep. So what is the purpose when you listen this song? So pick up good vibration, because we need for ascending. It is like a ticket. You understand? It is like a ticket to go to heavenly world. So if you all people understand, then they will know. Otherwise, you see, in temples and prayers, many people are doing prayers. Many people, all people, morning, evening, night, and all priests and pandits, they all are doing prayers. But then why there is no enlightenment in their life? Why? Because for them these are tools, and until last breath they are attached with these tools, and they didn't use these tools to go deep within, and they didn't knock their power, and how to use this power practically. This is what I learned from Tri-Origin. And also when I say heavenly world, it means you have to be very clear. After understanding Tri-Origin, your consciousness should be very clear. Heaven and hell, in words again, but you have to realize that there is no heaven, there is no hell. Yes, heaven is actually giving the glimpse of some pleasant, some good, where you don't have suffering. No suffering life actually is heaven. If you are having suffering in your life, this is hell. So heaven, hell is here, but sometimes we are using these words, we are using these words to express this heavenly world, hell, what is hell, what is heaven. But inner core, in our inner core, we should deeply understand and realize that there is no paradise outside and there is no hell outside. When we die, sometimes we have this kind of conception that we will go to heaven if we are doing good deeds, or and we will go to hell if we are doing good bad deeds. So you should remove all these things. But sometimes just in sentences we are using this is paradise, this is heaven, but at the same time you know what is the meaning of heaven, what is the meaning of paradise. It is your feeling. If you say this is heaven or this is paradise, it means in your consciousness, if you have this paradise, and that it means you are in heaven. Like in morning meditation, what you feel, this is calmness. And what is paradise and what is heaven? It is calmness. It is beautiful. This kind of feeling is there. And once you touch this calmness, you should know that you are in paradise. In these days, this reaching calmness point, experiencing calmness point is really very difficult, and it is very precious now. Initially it was, people knew it, and because their mind, it was not so hetero like in present moment people have. So that is why we need to understand that all these memories which you have stored from these 11 days program, and then also we will keep having in future also. So you have really made it part of your experience. So these memories will always stay with you, always, and it will give fruits. You will see the fruits, because once you touch your calmness and once you touch your zero world, definitely fruit is coming for sure. It will not go waste. And this 11 days, it is equal to 11 years, because touching one time calmness is as if 1 year. So we have to understand this very clearly. When we understand this pattern, we understand this universal law, then we know that every day we will devote our time, we will motivate ourselves to meditate, because you see all these things, whatever you are doing in this universal drama, ultimate uh, the percentage, the quality life, the percentage of your quality life is very, very important. All these things, whatever you are doing to earn, to you are leading your personal life, family life, ultimate end of life, you will realize, oh, this I wasted so much of time and collecting all these things. And so human mind has wisdom to understand this point. If we don't understand, then we are near animals. It means same thing. They have not touched that wisdom, they have not touched this calmness, they have not touched this golden point, they have not touched heaven, they have not touched paradise. So this is important, that in human life, if you earn this before dying, then our life is really perfect. And once you touch this paradise and your heavenly world, then your life, naturally, your actions, your reactions, your life will take turning point, and many new things will happen in your life. So the final conclusion is that there is no paradise outside, there is no hell outside. Whatever is existing is only in this present moment. This present moment, you are breathing, inhale and exhale, everything is here. Creator is here in this present moment, operator is here in this present moment, and heavenly world is here in this present moment, and hell is also here in this present moment. But when we talk about paradise and heavenly world, it helps us, or maybe, sometimes in some places, beautiful nature on our earth, we have lots of beautiful places, and those places we say, oh, this is paradise. So these places helps you to open your inner paradise. These are like tools. Once you understand this, then uh, really you will use these tools in correct way. Sunrise, beautiful nature when you go to Srinagar, and beautiful places. There are so many beautiful places on this earth, and we say, oh, this is paradise. Yes, that is paradise because that place is expressing God's perfection. And when you meet God's perfection, and when you are spending time with God's perfection, you are also perfect, but we have not realized actually. So the place which is expressing God's beauty lively, everywhere is God's beauty, but some places are expressing lively. So when you close and when you spend your time in that place, it means that place gives you environment. It helps you. It becomes very strong tool to knock your inner paradise. Once you have this taste of inner paradise, then you will never be dependent on outer paradise. Of course, we need, because we are human being, and we are, we have to live on this earth. Instead of watching all these traffic and every day and traffics and markets and pollutions, it is better that we go to nature and experience this. So spend more time. When we say how to do meditations, this meditation, you have to be aware what is the purpose of your life. Ultimate purpose is to, yes, ultimate purpose, this you can explore more. Ultimate purpose is that first you have to realize your inner self, who you are. Yes, and realization is also very deep realization. If your realization is very deep, then this depth will give turning point in your life, because then every moment whenever you're doing any activity in your life, this realization is always with you. This is one situation that you realize and then you forget, and then your realization is not helping you for your self growth. If you are ascending, then it is, this realization is good. Every time we say, oh, I realize this, I know this, that I am soul, or I am part of him, or I am in God's territory, or God is inside me, or I am outside, or I am inside God, like this. Or so we have to, it is always there. If one seed is there, even if 1% is there, it is good enough, because now 1% is there, it means this is neutral. It is not zero neutral. It means there is a chance, there is a chance if you of opening, if you motivate yourself and if you continue your journey. Some people on this earth, you will see that they are zero neutral. They don't, they just read books, they just study, read holy books, and you will see when you talk to them that see the end result, see the end result, see the quality of their consciousness. Only when they are doing prayers and meditations, they are expressing as if, um, spiritual or holy or sacred. But then in their holy, their daily routine, they are fighting with people, they are using, homo hetero words in their talks, and see the rhythm, see their voice. This all reflects in your consciousness. If you are really going correct direction, if you have really opened your inner wisdom, then it will reflect in your actions and reactions. This should be very clear in your mind. Very. So there are two things. Either you go deep inside, you touch your inner wisdom very naturally, without any effort, your actions and reactions will be harmonized, and you don't need to do any effort. This is one thing. Second thing is that you start practicing outer way, start practicing all beautiful emotions and all neutral personality. Just start behaving. So start doing it. Take effort. Do effort. Very naturally, you will slip inside your deep inner calmness. This is another way, very simple way. Either you go deep inside, touch your inner calmness, automatically your outer will change. Or in outer world, start practicing all neutral qualities, and then it will naturally, because you understand neutro and neutro axis is very good. Neutro is deep inside, and neutro is all your neutro is flowering. So neutro and neutro axis. So either you go to neutro and become neutro, or you become neutro, automatically you will slip into your neutro. This is so beautiful. Triogen helps us to understand, helps us to improve our personality. And you know that Triogen personality, later I will send, I think that video is also there. So Triogen personality, Triogen says that we have spirituality, we should understand spirituality. Spirituality is Newto. And when we say Newto, this spirituality is not religion. You know who you are, and you know your two roles, that I have one role which is part of universal drama, and also I know that I am part of him, and you are behaving very beautifully in this as per your this spirituality. So all beautiful spirit you have, smile spirit, smile spirituality, whatever we have studied, this is all your inner smile. When your inner smile is awakened, your personality is changing. So this is Newto part in Triogen personality, Triogen model order. This is Newto. And then when we talk about hetero part is intellectuality. Triogen is very perfect. We need intelligence also, because as I told you, I gave many examples. There are many pure people on this earth. It is not that only you, many people. You never know that a person working in your home as a maid, as a servant, maybe she is so pure, very close to him, very close, but then still she is poor and she is working because she does not have that intellectuality to use her uh, great wisdom. Wisdom is different from intelligence. To use this power, I should, instead of wisdom, I should say power. Okay, but because when wisdom is awakened, everything is, opened. But that simple lady working in houses, your driver, your peon, your clerk, and many people, they are working hard, and taxi driver, they also, you never know that these people are well awakened, very pure, doing beautiful works, and always pure, but also they are neutral, but they don't know how to use this power. This is the point, because they don't have intellectuality, they don't have. So many, you see, all animals, insect world, don't you think that these all these living beings are pure? They are pure. Yes, you see, dog, puppy mind, they are pure. You see, butterfly mind, they are pure, but then they cannot use this purity. They have fixed pattern, they come and go, but they cannot use this purity. So that is why Triorigin is making us perfect. With purity, we need intellectuality also. So intellectuality is hetero in personality, Triorigin model order. And then second is credibility. Credibility is homo. So we should always remember that in this life, here, this credibility, this is the credibility where we create most of our karmas. We have to give more than we receive. This is always like in all fields, whether, for example, servant working in your home, we have to be, yes, we should not do bargaining. You should understand that, yes, if she's asking more than moderate, you can always say, okay, no. But if she is doing heavy work in your home and she is asking little bit more, then you have, and if you can afford, you should give to her. This is small example, not in this way, but also in many ways. This is credibility. So many people are working under you. And also when you go to the market and when you buy something, and always, when you go to big malls, there you cannot do bargaining. But when you go to small shops, poor people selling vegetables and selling small things, there we always say, okay, please reduce money for this vegetable, please. So we have to think the hard work behind that. See, these are all karmas. If you can afford, then your credibility should be perfect. Should be perfect. How much you are giving. So one, always a driver, rickshaw driver. Yes, so hard work. Now these days we don't have rickshaw, that three wheels, that manual rickshaw. We don't have. But then that person with sweating, he is taking you, and then you are saying you are taking a big amount of money, please reduce the amount, and he is helpless because he wants food, and he is, you have to feel this helplessness. They bow down, they agree that okay, please give whatever you want to give. It means they don't have choice, and you are very happy that I succeeded in doing bargaining. Don't do this. This is credibility. We have to always remember one thing: always give one step more than what you receive in all fields. Like in my field also, if I'm teaching, this is my credibility that I have to give more what you have given to me. Always one step more. In all fields, you have to think like this. And here you will never create karmas. So this is so beautiful, credibility. And then what is neutral? Neutral is morality. So morality is neutral when we say neutral. Neutral is combination of all. Neutral has spirituality. Neutral has intellectuality. Neutral has morality. And all when we combine, this becomes your um, this neutral personality. So you have morality, and you study morality from your uh, childhood. In your school, you have a book, moral science book. You are studying geography, history, maths, but from the very beginning, you have moral science book, values. You have to add this in your child. This is not just book. So morality will come only when we have spirituality, intellectuality, and credibility. So we have to teach from the very beginning, because sometimes we save money, sometimes we save money, then later we have to pay back in the form of maybe disease, and then we are running to doctors here and there, and sometimes your precious things, it is lost. You see, this universe is very systematic, very, very systematic. This give and take is very beautifully handled. You don't even come to know. So if your credibility is very sharp from the very beginning, then you will not lose anything in your life. If we are losing anything in our life and we tried, we worked very hard, still we didn't get that, then it means we have to give anyhow, because maybe we have taken something from someone. It will go in different pattern, in the form of disease, paying to doctors, or maybe some house repair will suddenly come, some wall damage, suddenly it will come and you have to pay back. So many situations you have to be very, very sensitive, very, very sensitive. If you are neutral personality, very automatically you will become aware that yes, if I lost something and I did hard work, still I did not succeed in finding that, it means, okay, then we say, thank you, Lord. Okay. For example, if you lose your gold ring and you did your hard work, you searched everywhere. Yes, you also reported to police that I have lost my jewelries. So you will do actions. I don't say don't do action. You have to do it. But after doing a lot of hard work, still you didn't succeed. you have lost your something. So this is two awareness should be there. One is either you have to pay to the universe, because we all are part of universe. So if someone, the person to whom we have to pay, in the past I have taken something extra from him, so this person is also part of universe, so universe will take from you. This is the criteria. And second thing is one more way to see this point. If you lose something in your life, it means he is creating empty place in your world, because he want to put something good in that empty place. That is why if he want to give some gift to you, please now think like this. If he want to give gift, how he can give? Your container is here, until here, so many garbage and so many things are here, good or bad, not garbage, good also. So if he want to give something in your life, then he should remove something, because because your container should be empty, or half empty, or little empty. How much he wants to give, according to that he will take some, he will clean some part of your life. In that moment it is very, very painful. In that, when this cleaning happens, in this moment this cleaning is very, very painful. Sometimes we are losing our near and dear ones, sometimes we are losing our properties, sometimes we are losing our intellectuality, many things, not only on physical level, but also in metaphysical level we are losing something. So stay calm, surrender. But here surrender is not weakness, this is surrender with power, because you are aware him inside, and he is going to give you, he will open new door in your life. This is called powerful surrender. This is not like bow down, okay, I accept whatever you give, I am going with the flow. These words, how you are speaking these words are important. If you are speaking these words feeling the power, then this is correct. But if you are feeling contraction and this, that because I don't have any option, I have to accept whatever is your plan, and I just accept it. So we have to, Triorigin personality is a shining personality. This person may not have jewels, this person may not have good buildings and palaces, but this personality is a shining personality. And when we talk about credibility, it is not only in the terms of physical money and property, or money give and take, it is also in the terms of your thoughts. You want to help, from outside it looks that you are helping that person, but inside maybe you are just doing for show off. Everything is very clear in this wonderful universal world and laws. Inside we have hatred, or inside we have jealousy, or inside we are not happy with that work which we are doing, but we are doing for the sake of family, or maybe for the sake of we are doing just to show off. Outside we are speaking good words, but inside we are with hatred and jealousy. Outside we are smiling, but inside we are not smiling. And inside we have deep hatred or resentment, or not liking the person or the thing or the situation, and outside. So, and credibility of your words are also very important. What you say, you should mean it, not just to just say and to impress anyone. Speaking one sentence, simple sentence is enough. If you are really truly shining, then you will never need words also. Without words, your love can reach. So credibility in your inner world also. In every moment you are creating karmas, what you are thinking, because you are uh, in your thought world also you are hitting someone. You don't like that person and you are hitting that person. So it means, what is this? You see, universe understands the vibrations and frequencies, you know this, all forces. Whatever situation you see in your life, actually, universe has no concern with your shape. What you're radiating is the criteria. So when we see the fighting situations, what is that fighting situation? What is that? That is, if you remove all physical shape from that area, 4 5 people fighting and they are arguing, lot of argument is going on. Okay, now just imagine, just remove this container of body, just remove this container and see what is left. What is left there? Hetero vibration, fighting vibration, and you have just removed this outer container. Physical body is subtle, fixed, but metaphysical emotions and thoughts creating vibration, and these vibrations are not physical. That is why you cannot see, you cannot hear, and you are not afraid because you cannot see. But if you have eyes, if you get eyes to see, you will really get fear. Why? Because, oh my God, this kind of vibration I created in this area, and in that accident place, and in that conflict where there people are fighting, in home sometimes shouting loudly and speaking loudly, showing anger. You see what kind of vibration in that home, sadness, crying all the time. Remove, if you have real depth, then always you will see inside metaphysical more, as if without body. Body is just a container. Body is a very special container because it is carrying this vibration. So you have to be very, very aware and alert what you are creating. So credibility is not just outside. Inside is more strong because metaphysical. Outside you are speaking good, but inside not feeling good and not having good feeling for that person. We have to upgrade ourselves. We have to motivate ourselves. Okay, leave it. Let's smile. Let's smile and forget it. Forgive, because now this forgiveness, this you are not doing for your others. It looks from outside that you are a very good person, you forgive all, you have done harmonization, patch up, but actually you did it for yourself. From outside you will look very good. In our, we are talking to ourselves in inner world. Actually, everything, whatever we are doing for ourselves. Actually, you all will agree. But then everyone is doing, but at the same time, do nicely with morality. So this is how Triarjan personality appears. Spirituality, neutral, intellectuality, hetero, and credibility, homo, morality, neutral, and this is beautiful petals of triorigin personality. And now, after understanding triorigin, we should know that in which part I have to bring the change. So now, this talking itself is meditation. Because meditation is not just feeling anand or permanent or bliss. Meditation is self-realization, awareness of the truth, real truth. And after this awareness is awakened, very naturally, meditation will happen in your life. Meditation is not a subject that you have to do only with local consciousness. We say that do meditation, but meditation is in your core. Like we say in Hindi, प्यार किया नहीं जाता, प्यार हो जाता है. Meditation की नहीं जाती, meditation हो जाती. Love just happens. This is like meditation. Love, you don't need to do love. It just happens. If you are doing efforts, I'm talking about your metaphysical love. If you say that I love you, it means if you're doing effort and you're creating scenarios, this is not love. It just happens. Same meditation just happens. Initially doing efforts are the tools, just tools. That is why when you are in your this journey, you know that yes, I agree, I understand that this is tool, and slowly, I'm using these tools, but slowly, I will drop these tools one day finally. We need tools for sure. Okay. So this is last day officially, but our journey will continue. And when we are understanding soul, your soul, my soul, we will never feel separation also. So don't activate this sense that I will miss this or that. This is just example I'm giving you. In this present moment, this is applicable to all scenarios in your life, that I will miss something. Please meditate on this sentence next time. It means inside we are empty. Of course, yes, we need all these tools. Again, always. We will use everything, whatever you have. We need all relations that is required. But at the same time, inside is also, there is attachment and also there is beautiful detachment. It is not that we are neglecting that. So upgrade. You should never be dependent on your gurus and teachers. Never be. And I don't want you to become dependent on me. Initially, I will work hard with you until you open your complete full wings. But then I will prefer that you don't look back. You just ascend. You just fly. Because my purpose is to awaken triurgent personality in your existence. If I make you dependent, then you will never bloom. Of course, we respect, like Professor Parkji. He was a tool in my life. I respect him. But I continued my journey without being dependent on him. As I told you that I never used to ask questions. It doesn't mean that you don't ask questions. You can always ask questions. My story was different. That dependency was not there. I became strong. I became very strong. He made me very strong. I was not very strong. If I look back my history, past years, I was not very strong. I was emotionally weak. But now I understand this universal drama. And I want you to understand this universal drama. So all these are tools which are helping us to find our real guru, real teachers. Of course, As part of universal drama, he is with me and I am with you and you are with me, and we will stay together forever until we are here. Maybe we will continue our life in next life also. But this is joyful togetherness, not dependency. You understand my point? This is not dependency. If something happens to me, then no dependency. Soul connection always. Okay. So now smile. First smile and then I will start emotions. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Prepare yourself because we are studying very important subject. And I will request that no one should talk or ask question until I finish my topic completely. No question. Only when I finish. If we don't have time in the morning, we can ask in the evening. Still we don't have time, then you keep writing your questions in your notebook. Many times you will see that your all answers are solved. And whenever we are meeting, we will we have we will have question answer sessions, exclusively question answer sessions, and no teaching. So don't worry. Okay. So 1 minute, close your eyes. And smile with awareness of your internal smile. Smile with awareness of your internal realization, deep realization. Smile, understanding the purpose of life, and smile, thinking that now what I will do in my life to upgrade my tri-origin personality. In which sector I need improvement. Smile. What action you will do in coming days or maybe today only. Smile. In this physical world, everything is just illusion. In the end of life, with last breath, we understand that we wasted our time so much. This should not happen. This is really big suffering sense when we understand in the last moment of our life. So this moment should not come in your life. From today, we are changing. So that last moment of life, we are just saying thank you that I have lived my life to the fullest of perfection. So from now only we have to awaken ourselves, live life, radiating tri-origin personality. So last moment becomes very blissful moment. And then, as if you are looking his arms, he is calling, come to me, my child. And very happily, you go in his arms, merged with him. No worries, just smile. Because death was grand perfection. You lived your life very beautifully. Quality is more important. That is why past years, if still not lived that quality life, living this quality life for just 1 week can change or upgrade the percentage of your self-realization. With deep understanding, you are smiling. Also, I am smiling. Smile is symbol of perfection. Many layers of smile. I'm feeling my perfection. You are feeling your perfection. Stillness, calmness, vacuum also. Because in this calmness and stillness, we can see that where I have gone wrong, but because your awareness now is towards ascending, that is why now you want to upgrade and improve all corners of your life. And now I have to ascend. Pain comes. Why? Sometimes we did many things which was not pleasant, but pain comes. But then immediately smile comes because I realized and now I'm upgrading and I will not do that thing again. Dissolves your negative karmas. We are becoming mature now. We understand the deep meaning of smile. A mature smile is evolving now. Your and my smile, today we can say that it is better than yesterday. One more petal opened. Fragrance of this smile is increasing and spreading. This smile is like expressing the beauty of rose. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.